folks. One of the things we get called out for on a regular basis is locks with a broken key stuck inside them. This is one that I've taken from a house this evening. It's got a thumb turn on the back, so the door was unlocked, so I was able to extract the cylinder and replaced it for the customer because this was their last key. They only had one key. So I thought, well, let's bring this cylinder home, and what we'll do is we'll extract this piece of broken key and then have a go at picking it. So I've got a broken key extractor, Andrew Law Lock tools. It's got a barb on there, and the trick with these is to get it up underneath one of the cuts in the key, and then to hook the key out. A lot of the times people have been trying to get these out themselves, and the keys are typically burred and jammed in. Oh, there we go. Okay. And so there's the broken key segment. Right, let's have a go at picking this. I think, what should we use? That's loose. Let's try one down here at the bottom. Oh, tighten that up. There you go. That looks like it's going to stay in there. And I know, let's see whether we can use the broken key extractor as a pick as well, just for a laugh. Right, let's go in, see if we can find where these pins are. It's only a 5-pin lock, so it shouldn't be too difficult. Just looking for a binding pin. I can just about feel the pins with this. It's got a barbed tip on it, of course, so it's difficult to navigate through the lock. It sounds like it might be setting pins. That's pin 5, 4, 3, bit of rotation on the core then. Pin 1. Oh, would you believe it? There we go. So the broken key extractor can also be used as a pick in this case. Right, well, let's just zoom out a bit. Which way do we want to go? That'll do, right. Let's pop that there. We'll take this out. There you go. Let's pop the camera down here. Right, so I've just put the tools together, and let's see what we can do with this cylinder. I'm going to use the broken key extractor now to actually take this clip off, see whether we can do that. It seems to be working. Nearly off, just a bit more fiddling. So let's go back to the proper tool for this. There we go. Okay, so we got the clip off. Come on. There you go. Let's put a pinning shoe in there. Okay, the cylinder has just popped out actually. That's because of the spring from the thumb turn. So, okay, I'm going to use the broken key extractor to extract the core. Ah, there we are. It's a skeletonized core there. Look at that. You can see that. Not my favourite. These tend to get caught really easily when you're pulling them out. Okay, let's tip the contents of that out. So, 1, 2, 3, find some tweezers. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I don't think there'd be anything special in this lock, to be honest. It didn't feel, if I can pick it with the key extractor, then there's definitely not going to be anything particularly security wise in here. Let's get the rest of these guts out. What's that? That's cam. Right, there we go. Let's take that, put that front loader in, front unloader as it is in this case, and let's see what we got pin wise. Okay, pin 1 standard, 2 is a standard, 3, oh, there's the spring, 3 is a standard, 4, yeah, they're all standard pins by the looks of it, so nothing high tech in here at all. But we weren't expecting that, to be fair. There we go. So absolutely bog standard. Interesting to see one of these cores. If you try extracting this out of the cylinder at anything other than 180 degrees from normal, then you're in a world of pain basically without a shim. But okay, there we go. Let's have a quick close up of those pins for you. There we are, all standards. All right, well, thanks a lot. Bye for now.